Hello everyone, Rick here from Workshop Solutions, and I'm here to introduce you today to the 4-in-1 bucket tool. Great little piece for your toolbox. And what we'll start out with is item number one. Great for opening up a 1-gallon bucket. Pops it open, no problem. And this here is made out of a high impact plastics. So it's great for stage number 2 is pounding the lid back down. Fits in your pocket really nice. This here hooks to the outside of your pocket and keeps this knife blade or screwdriver blade away from your leg. Number 3, this here is great for opening up a top of a 5-gallon bucket. Also with a high impact plastic, pound it down, you're all set to go. Also, my favorite part of this 4-in-1 bucket tool, take it over this little white tab that you normally see on a 5-gallon bucket, which is pretty small in size. You take this, you snap it on, it broadens the base of your handle and gives you a more ergonomically friendly product. It reduces fatigue on your hand, moves out of the way, you're all set to go. Really, every toolbox, every painter should have one of these in their possession. I think you'll enjoy it. Thanks and have a great day.